What you see on screen right now is a layout for one of my recent streams for Resident Evil 4 that allows you to create sabotages, create some awesome moments, and spin wheels. You may be wondering, what does this have to do with the tutorial series? And that's because all of this is possible by StreamLabs. And in this tutorial series, we're going to be talking about StreamLabs, how to use it, and everything else in between so that you guys can get your stream interactive. And we're going to get started right now. Hi everybody, it's RetroYuuki once again, giving you guys a tutorial series for StreamLabs. In today's video, we're talking about the features of StreamLabs in terms of what to look forward to in this tutorial series. We're going to go over a lot, and it's going to help you out with your streaming. So, in StreamLabs.com, which is our website here, you're going to be able to log in into one of the three possible platforms. That is Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook. I highly recommend select one to start so that it's not too complicated. I selected YouTube as I am trying to make my full move to YouTube streaming very soon. So that's my selected platform. But what I'm about to talk about relies on any platform offered by StreamLab. So you have two pages to start with. You have the analytics page and the recent events. Now, for this series, we're going to be focusing on the essentials page. In the alert box, the widgets, the themes and overlays, the Cloudbot. Mostly on these three, the alert box, the widgets, and the Cloudbot. We might be able to go over some of this stuff, but these are more extra. But these guys are your essential for streaming and the commands and stuff. So alert box allows you to customize an alert box when alert happens. For example, a subscriber. So let's take a look at mine, assuming that mine is not muted. And now if you put it right, these should be able to have it say something. I mean, not say something, but do something. So let's go ahead and try that again. So as you guys can hear, I have a custom sound, and I actually customized the code there. And I'll show you guys how to do that later. Unfortunately, my alert box is actually hidden, but that is an alert box, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that stuff in our alert box section of this tutorial series. Now, I'm not going to show you I'm going to show you advanced stuff like the HTML I did. So, for example, a subscriber. So you get something like that. That's actually default, by the way. Super chat. Don't worry, I have not received anything for super chats yet. Test merch. I am thinking of doing merch, and I'll show you how to do that as well, and so on. That's an alert box. The widgets. Let's go back to the Streamlabs. The widgets, for example. So widgets, you may think that I don't have a widget on the board, and I actually do not have a widget on the board. Now the stuff you see on the screen when I stream here, those are actually custom. Some of them are. Like, for example, the commands are from StreamLabs, but like the jackpot, that's a thing that I do on my stream for our viewers. And then the new sticker, that's actually made using the OBS. But in terms of like StreamLabs stuff, if we go back to the internet here, you have a lot of widgets you can add to your stream, and we're going to go over what each one of these are in their video. But the main majority of the series is going to be focused on this guy, the Cloudbot. The Cloudbot is where it's really at when it comes to streaming. So you get your modules, you get your commands, you get your timers, You get your Q if you are playing like a multiplayer game. Or your loyalty, that's where the commands come into play. And the rings, what I call them. The polls, the betting game, the giveaways, the manager and importer. We're going to go over this in its own video later on in the series. But majority of the time we're going to be focused on the Cloudbot because that's where everything goes into play. That is how the series is going to go. If you guys enjoy what you saw tonight, make sure you guys check that like button to subscribe and enable notifications. And we'll be back very soon with the alert box section of our tutorial series. Enjoy and happy streaming and do work. Live life, create content.